Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal, and through this video, I just want to spread awareness about the next upcoming live workshop, 2 days workshop, which I am doing on network marketing automation without paid tools. So I just want to ask a question, okay, from you. Do you want to automate your network marketing business without paid ads, without paid tools, without any technical knowledge, and without buying any courses? So are you excited? Are you interested in this? If yes, keep watching. Okay, I just want to tell you what is there, why you should attend my 2 days workshop, which is happening this Friday and Saturday, okay, at 11 a.m. So before that, I just want to share with you a few of the challenges which network marketers usually face these days. Number one, inconsistent earning. Okay, you understand this? Number two, confusion in how to find prospects. Confusion in offline versus online. Okay, whether I should do it offline or online. Applied says offline, somebody says online, so it is a huge confusion here. Image consciousness, nobody wants to introduce as a network marketer, correct? So people are conscious about their image. Then scarcity mindset, okay, people have negative image about this industry. Then team attrition, people join and people leave very fast. Low productivity from downlines, lack of digital skills, digital marketing skills, lack of proper back-end system to attract, nurture, follow up and close a prospect, which means there is no proper system to design your prospect journey. Lack of proper onboarding system for a new team member, and huge competition. Okay, let me write huge. Okay, we have a huge competition in network marketing. There are so many companies, so many leaders, so many influencers. So prospects are confused, okay, whom to join, which company to join. So there is a huge competition. Okay, so these are the common challenges of network marketers. But let's understand the concept from one of the book. Okay, we love this book, that is Rich Dad Poor Dad, and the author is Robert E. Kiyosaki. And Robert E. Kiyosaki says about assets. What is assets? Okay, we need to understand this concept, and then I will tell you what is there in the workshop. Asset is something which puts money in your pocket. Okay, which puts money in your pocket, and liabilities take money from your pocket. Right. So if we talk about digital assets, because we are building this business online digitally, if you talk about digital assets, what are the digital assets for network marketers which you must create every day? Number one, content. Content works like a free ad, correct? It works like a free ad which gives you leads, it builds influence, it builds trust in the market, credibility. Okay, also it makes money, okay, to create content. So content is actually free ad which enables you to automate your business, which works like a digital asset. Social media profiles, landing page, you create it once, okay, and your landing page keeps on capturing leads of the interested people, correct? Then automated webinars, ebook, lead magnet, okay, pre-written emails which works in auto mode, okay, you write email once and these emails are triggered in auto mode based on the opt-in. Prospects list, okay, and their activity tracking. Online community, WhatsApp, Telegram or Facebook group, okay, recorded trainings, training system, videos, documents, audios, funnels, scripts and presentation slides. All these are your digital assets. So I suggest you every day work on something so that you can create your digital assets each and every day, okay, and these assets are going to build business for you, correct? So I hope you understand this concept. If you understand this concept, I want to welcome you, invite you to my 2 days workshop on network marketing automation without using paid tools. Okay, so this is happening this Friday and Saturday at 11 a.m. IST, and this is going to be in English language. Okay, but my English is very simple, everybody can understand, even 5th class student can also understand my English. Okay, so this is a 2 days live practical workshop. So next batch is happening this week. And what I'm going to cover in this 2 days workshop is you will learn how to create irresistible offer which your prospect cannot reject. I suggest you don't go for no. Okay, don't go for no. Nobody wants to listen no from the prospect, correct? So why not we learn to create an irresistible offer which a prospect cannot reject at all? Lead generation automation without paid ads, automatic invitation, business presentation automation, follow-up automation, new member training automation, live demo of my back-end automation system. All these things we are going to cover in just 2 days. Okay, and this is not a course, this is a live practical online workshop. Also, during this workshop, you will get some free bonuses from my side. Number one, you will get AI prompts list for network marketing, especially for our industry, worth rupees 3,000. Invitation and nurturing script. I'm going to give you ready to use invitation script, okay, which is worth rupees 1,999. I'm also going to give you 50 content ideas list, which is worth rupees 1,000, which is going to save your time in thinking what content to create. Okay. Also, this is super amazing, this is super valuable. That is, I will also give you a template to create irresistible offer which your prospect cannot reject. So there is a science to create an irresistible offer. Okay, so this is worth rupees 4,000 rupees. So all these bonuses you will get, okay, worth rupees 10,000 complete, okay, if you attend this 2 days workshop. So what I suggest to you is go to the link in this video description. In this video description, I'm going to give you a link. Click on that link and you will actually open this page. Once you open this page, you will understand, okay, when is the next batch, what is the timing, how many hours are left. And this 2 days workshop, I'm charging only rupees 199. Also, you're getting bonuses worth rupees 10,000. Imagine this, okay? Only during the live event you will get these bonuses, but you have to buy the ticket. This is not a course. This is a 2 days live workshop, and it is only rupees 199. So no excuse. Less than a pizza. Less than a pizza, correct? Only rupees 199. And you can also see the bonuses. And also, if you have any question like, will I get the recording? How will I get the bonuses? Are there any refunds? All these things you can see. You can actually read these FAQs, and you will all your questions will be answered here. Okay. So yes, if you think that after attending 2 days workshop, if you think that this is not valuable, then you can claim your money back in just 7 days. Okay, in next 7 days. Okay, it is just rupees 199. So nothing to don't think much. Okay, just click on this, register now, and then just pay 199, and on your email you will get links of day 1 and day 2, both the days. Okay, so coming up this Friday and Saturday, make sure that you block these 2 days to attend this workshop, just 199 rupees. So check out the links in this video description and be the part of this excellent workshop. We have got amazing results from this workshop. People are able to recruit prospects in auto mode. So I'm going to give you more testimonies and how to do this, and I will also give you a demo of my entire backend system. Okay, so highly valuable. This is one of my best training. So don't miss this opportunity. Check out the link in this video description. See you in my workshop. Okay, see you. Bye.